These are my tips and tricks to achieve the perfect pin curl. Pin curls are one of the easiest things to do when it comes to your hair, and it's something that anybody can do, whether you have long hair, short hair, curly hair, or straight hair. It doesn't really matter. Everybody could do a pin curl. And one of the best things about a pin curl is that, for me personally, it's the most comfortable when it comes to sleeping on my head at night. And I do notice that when I have pin curls in, my hair kind of stays voluminous. My curls, usually for the most part, are fairly uniform, and whenever I've done it, all I've really had to do was shake my hair out in the morning to kind of separate the curls a bit, and I'm good to go. I don't have to wake up and really refresh my hair, add extra product in hopes that the curls look amazing or anything like that. I literally just wake up, take the pins out, shake my hair out, and for the most part, it's good. My curls are there, everything is perfect. But when it comes to doing pin curls properly, there's so many ways to kind of mess it up. So I'm gonna show you my little tips or tricks when it comes to doing pin curls. Let me just move the rest of my hair out the way. And I'll do it right here with the curls that are right in front of my head. I might repeat it on one of my longer curls, but I just want to show you straight to the front what it looks like. So give me one moment. So we're gonna work with this one first. And essentially, when it comes to a pin curl, you kind of want to make sure everything is brushed out, just so that way it's easier to work with, and when you do take the curls out, there's no clumps. I'm gonna hold it off to the side, that way you can kind of see it better. But what I like to do is 2 curls, so I'll take one. I'll take the edge, I'll just pinch it, I'll put my finger up a little bit, and I'll just like rotate. Just like that. And then obviously, I'll put a bobby pin in. And there you go, that's like your first pin curl. I'll just do that one more time so you could see it better. Right there, pinching the bottom. And just bring this one up. And kind of just circle around each other. And that's how you get a real easy pin curl. I'll just pin that out the way. And then as you can see, you know, when you sleep it goes flat, but when you take it out it ends up being this curl. Another thing to do, which definitely helps as well, is I'll use this one right here. Let's say you do this with the pinch but your hands come out. Once you have this first little circle, you could actually just twist it up and it'll go just like that, and then you could put your bobby pin in. So I'll show you that one more time. I'll do it on this side because that's where the curl is. So let's get that first little circle, and there you go, and you just take that whole circle and you just plop it right there, and you kind of can see it starting to come out in that shape where it's just a big old curl. But yeah, those are essentially my 2 ways of doing a proper pin curl, and they're quick and easy. Majority of the time it's literally just kind of twirling your fingers, and of course if your fingers do come out or if you're not curling correctly, as soon as you get that first circle shape, you could just twist it up in that circle. And I've never had an issue with pin curls. I know that getting the hand motion in place, once you do it like 2-3 times, it starts to get easier. And then next thing you know, you have your whole head pin curled and your curls just come out flawless, like flawless. So yeah, that is my little like pin curl tutorial. It does make doing pin curls easy. I do hope this helps you with getting your pin curls in place. You could do this whether you have short hair, curly hair, But for the most part, what it does is it keeps those curls intact all the way through. So when you take it out, as I'll take this one out, it just automatically forms a nice ringlet curl that most people use a curling iron for. And you could do bigger ones, you could do smaller ones. I like to kind of somewhat match my own curls because I do end up shaking it out. And if you do have straight hair, you could always do this and kind of put hairspray on it while it's up. And when you take those pins out, it's gonna drop in kind of ringlet curls. So once again, this is my tips and tricks for pin curls. Let me know if it works for you. Let me know if you have your own tips and tricks when it comes to curls in the comments below. Thank you. Bye. These are my tips and tricks. These are my tips and tricks. Tips and tricks. Okay.